इनकी पीपीओ लगी है एक्सेंचर स्ट्रैटेजी में, जो ऐसी कंपनी है जो आई अहमदाबाद, बैंगलोर, कलकत्ता बहुत बड़े बड़े दिग्गज बी स्कूल्स पे जाती है। कैट नहीं दिया आपने, नाउ आप कंधे से कंधा मिला के काम कर रहे हो आई अहमदाबाद, बैंगलोर, कलकत्ता के बच्चों के साथ। हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू दिस एमबीए पॉडकास्ट। आई हैव मुस्कान विद मी, शी इज फ्रॉम एसआईडीटीएम, एड प्लेसमेंट हेड है पापा यहाँ की, एंड इनकी पीपीओ लगी है एक्सेंचर स्ट्रैटेजी में, जो ऐसी कंपनी है जो आई अहमदाबाद, बैंगलोर, कलकत्ता बहुत बड़े बड़े दिग्गज बी स्कूल्स पे जाती है। एंड मुस्कान इज फ्रॉम एसआईडीटीएम बाय द वे, and she nailed that PPO by the way. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're a non-engineer, aren't you?
Yes, I'm a non-engineer.
Fantastic. Tell me something more about yourself. कहाँ से हो, कितने साल का वर्क एक्स है या है भी नहीं, स्नैप क्यों किया, वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह।
So I come from Jamshedpur and I am a non-engineer as you rightly said. So I did my bachelor's in computer application.
Okay.
Post which I was working as a business analyst in one of the IT firms in Ahmedabad.
Okay.
And I have 2 years of work experience. So during my work ex, I felt I need to do an MBA because I wanted to switch my career and wanted that push, as well as I wanted to go in this management line. So I applied for Snap. So I only gave Snap. I did not give CAT or something like that. I only gave Snap, and I converted SIDTM.
But why only Snap? 2 साल के एक्सपीरियंस के बाद तो डेफिनेटली बच्चा लोग जाता है, कैट वगैरह करता है।
हाँ. So very honestly, first reason was I was working, so I did not had that much time to prepare for CAT, ZAT, and second was in Snap you get multiple options. Like one exam gives you multiple
3
options.
attempts. Yeah. आपने कितने लगाए थे?
I gave only one attempt.
One attempt. चलो
So
ठीक
I
है।
gave one attempt, and I genuinely wanted to be in SIDTM because considering my background, I was already in an IT firm, and DTM is famous for giving techno managers and the niche domain.
Absolutely.
So that is why.
Okay, तो सिर्फ स्नैप दिया,
Yeah.
डीटीएम हुआ, और यहाँ से एक्शन स्ट्रेटेजी पीपीओ।
Yes.
मतलब एक एग्जाम ने आपको सॉर्ट कर दिया पूरा का पूरा। तो देखो यार, ये भी ऑप्शन है। आई मीन मल्टीपल एग्जाम्स बच्चे देते हैं, नो डाउट अबाउट दैट, बट अगर आप एक एग्जाम पे फोकस करोगे आपका भला हो सकता है। सो आई नो यू आर अ प्लेसमेंट हेड यहाँ पे, सो आई एम गोना आस्क यू सम टफ क्वेश्चंस, बट बिफोर दैट लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड कि जब आप एसआईडीटीएम में आए थे विद व्हाटएवर परसेंटाइल, यू डोंट वांट टू गेट इन देयर, व्हाट वर यू थिंकिंग? क्या मेरा एक्सेंचर स्ट्रेटेजी इतना बड़ा कंपनी होगा, पीपीओ लगेगा, एसआईपी मिलेगा, वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह। वॉक अस थ्रू दैट जर्नी।
Okay, so when I got into SIDTM, so I used to see your videos as well. So in that I got
Thank
to know,
you so much.
I got to know that Accenture strategy visits SIDTM, and very honestly I felt it is a far-fetched dream because when you come into a college you never imagine that you'll get the top package. You always feel that what my goal was to be above average. That was my goal. And one thing which I believe in is that no matter you're an average student, you go to a big you go to IIMs or you go to SIDTM, but the main thing that you should focus is what you do after you get into that B school.
Exactly.
So one of the recruiters, like during my interview, they also mentioned the same thing that doesn't matter you are 60 percentile holder or you are a 99 percentile. When we come and recruit, for us you are SIDTM or you are XYZ college. So that is what was my belief. So when I came in here, my motto was simple, that I wanted to work hard and I wanted to make the most of the opportunities that this college gives me.
Nice. First of all, thanks for mentioning that you were watching my videos. मैं नहीं बताता हूँ अपने, मतलब जब मैं ये शूट करता हूँ मैं बात नहीं करता हूँ, बट थैंक्स फॉर शेयरिंग दैट। स्टूडेंट्स बताए तो अच्छा लगता है। एंड सेकेंडली ना, मुझे लगता है कि काफी ज्यादा शिफ्ट होता है बच्चा। पहले साल अगर मैं देखता हूँ ना तो थोड़ा बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट होता है, बट सेकेंड ईयर में जब आप बच्चों को देखते हैं ना, कॉन्फिडेंस अलग लेवल पे होता है। नाउ लेट्स मूव अहेड विद द एसआईपी थिंग। आपने आपका समर इंटर्नशिप भी एक्सेंचर स्ट्रेटेजी में किया। टेल मी, जब आपने एस्ट्रैक्ट ज्वाइन किया, आपके साथ कौन कौन से बी स्कूल्स के बच्चे थे, एंड कैसे वहां पे वो माहौल था, वो पीयर ग्रुप कैसे था, एंड व्हाट आर थिंग्स यू गॉट टू लर्न ओवर देयर?
So when I joined, first of all, when I converted Accenture strategy, that was a big thing itself.
Absolutely.
And then also I thought that ki for SIDTM, because we don't come from IIM, our profiles will be different, or there will be certain kind of difference in both the roles. But when I went there, so I was in Gurgaon location, and we had around 200 odd people.
Wow. And
very honestly, majority of the folks were from IIMs. And
can you mention those IIMs?
IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore, Kozhikode, XLRI, and I am Calcutta.
Wow.
So people were there, were from these big colleges. But when I again come back to profile and the work that we were doing, it was same. Absolutely
same. What about stipend? Paisa?
Everything was same.
Perfect.
That is what I can say. Everything was same.
Perfect.
And in fact, so I was interning in the CMT vertical, that is Communication, Media and Technology there.
Nice.
So in my team also, I had people from IIM Bangalore, IIM Kozhikode, and IIM Calcutta. But the difference which I saw and I felt was that, people in Accenture strategy also looks you from a different perspective because
Hmm.
they know you come from a niche college, you have that technological
Hmm.
edge, you know about telecom,
Hmm.
which IIM people are not aware of.
Oh,
So
okay. तो वहाँ पे तुम लोगों को edge मिलता है.
yes, that is the difference, and people see you from that lens. Again, the expectation increases, but you get that privilege कि इसको आता होगा. So I have seen during my internship also some of the IIM people struggling with technological things because again that was not their background or things like that. But for us,
got it.
We were very well familiar with everything.
You said कि far-fetched dream था Accenture जाना, and उसके बाद कैट नहीं दिया आपने. Now आप कंधे से कंधा मिला के काम कर रहे हो अहमदाबाद, बैंगलोर, कलकत्ता के बच्चों के साथ. How did that feel? I can say that your smile says a lot, but how did that make you feel that point in time?
It felt very amazing, very amazing, and you genuinely feel that you have done something good. And obviously, I was lucky enough to get the opportunity. I will always thank the college because the college gave me this opportunity. Again, it was on me to convert, but the college gave me that opportunity. So yeah.
Absolutely. So देखो guys, हम कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहते हैं. No way हम कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं ब्रांड्स का यहाँ पे. बट एक चीज मैं कहना चाहूंगा, मतलब मैंने मुस्कान को अभी इंटरव्यू कर रहा हूँ, मैंने यथार्थ का भी इंटरव्यू किया है. When he got into Astrat, the point here is that if you have it in you and if you're ready to work hard, even if you miss on lot of big colleges out there in the market, SIDTM टाइप कॉलेजेस भी आपको वो एक्सपोजर दे सकते हैं. मैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ SIDTM के बारे में नहीं बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं लाइकवाइज कॉलेजेस के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, जहाँ पे मुस्कान जैसे बच्चे जब आए थे, इनको लगा था कि यार फार फेस्ट है, तुझे तो लगा कि मेरा होगा ही नहीं पक्का, मतलब ठीक ठाक मिल गया तो भी चलेगा, है ना. बट नाउ सी लाइक सेकंड ईयर एंड शी इज Accenture strategy. आप देख लो मार्केट में, आपको पता चलेगा व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ पैकेजेस दे गेट. स्माइल देख. सो मुझे लगता है कि आप लोगों ने ना ड्रीम बड़ा करना चाहिए. अगर आपका ब्लैकी भी नहीं होता है, कोई अच्छा बड़ा तोफ कॉलेज नहीं होता है, बट देयर आर सो मेनी कॉलेजेस दे कैन गिव यू सेम प्लेटफॉर्म, बट यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड एंड कन्वर्ट दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. व्हाट डू यू से ऑन दिस?
110%. And when you see the market scenario, baby IIMs are also struggling with placements. Everyone is.
अब मैं यहाँ पे तुझे थोड़ा तीखा सवाल पूछूंगा, बिकॉज़ अभी तुमने बेबी IIM बोला तो अभी तूने छेड़ा. So tell me one thing, you are a placement head, right?
Yes.
How's the placement? Like, where do you, again, मैं नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, I want you to tell people, where do you put yourself? Like, is it SIDTM as good as baby IIMs or above them? New IIM के साथ मैं comparison नहीं करना चाहता, obviously. But yes, where do you see yourself when you compare your placement stats with the baby IIM stats?
Very honestly, you can see the stats that is available on website, but I feel that SIDTM is at par with all the baby IIMs.
Okay.
Like the packages that we get. If you see our top 25 is around 19 lakhs. Our top 50 is around 15, 16 lakhs.
Not bad.
So, and we obviously offer 100% placement. And last year also, when I was in first year and summer internships were going on, we saw that many colleges were struggling with internships. We saw many things on social media, online platforms and things like that, but we were able to place each one of us from our batch for summer internship. There was no single student left who did not go for any internship. Everyone was placed, and from our side, it was not like that. We said ki apna dekh lo, nothing like that. So we place each one of them because again that comes because we have that technological edge. Now when you see in each domain, everything is converting to digital.
That's so nice.
We have subjects like digital transformation. We have technological subjects. So even when we pitch to organization, this gives us an edge.
Right. So guys, यहाँ पे ना एक नया perspective है. Correct me if I'm wrong. So mostly मुझे लगता है ना edtech में, education में जो चीजें सालों साल चलती आ रही है, हम उसी के ऊपर चलते हैं. But आज मैं आपको दिखा सकता हूँ. There are many colleges like SIDTM and in the same belt जो similar kind of platform आपको दे सकते हैं. हाँ, मैं ये नहीं कहूंगा कि प्राइवेट इक्विटी VC वगैरह मिलेगा, बट एटलीस्ट अच्छे खासे कंसल्टिंग कंपनी में तुम जा सकते हो, नो डाउट अबाउट दैट. सो आई थिंक यू गाइस शुड बी लुकिंग एट दीज कॉलेजेस एज एन ऑप्शन एंड डेफिनेटली SIDTM तो बनता ही बनता है, नो डाउट अबाउट दैट. नाउ ये जो चीजें मैं पहले भी कह रहा था, Accenture स्ट्रेटेजी आती है वगैरह वगैरह, मैं अपने वीडियो में कहता था. अभी मैंने प्लेसमेंट हेड को लाया है तो यहाँ से कंफर्मेशन आ चुका है. सो डेफिनेटली वन ऑफ द बेस्ट बी स्कूल यू कैन लुक फॉरवर्ड फॉर. नाउ माय अदर क्वेश्चन टू यू वुड बी, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर स्नैप राइट नाउ. What sort of advice you will be giving them? Like 30-40 दिन अभी बचे हैं, कैसे पढ़ाई करनी चाहिए इन लोगों ने?
So what I feel is that on the last day also you'll feel that you have missed on something, कुछ और पढ़ना बाकी है. So stop that. The most important thing is mocks. Like you also say in your videos, mocks is the most important thing because you get an idea that what you will do in the exam, what the exam will look like. And anyways, it is humanly impossible to cover each and everything because something might be your strong area, whereas something
मुस्कान सॉरी टू इंटरप्ट, तुझे क्या तूने कैट भी दिया है, हम स्कोर डिस्क्लोज नहीं करेंगे। अच्छा नहीं दिया था?
नहीं,
अच्छा कैट दिया, कोई स्नैप के अलावा दिया था?
I only gave snap.
अच्छा, but you must have heard about
Yeah,
cat.
I have gone through mocks
Right.
and all.
So where do you put snap? कि कैट अगर ठुक गया तो क्या स्नैप करना सही है बच्चों के लिए? Can that be a good option?
Yes, snap is very honestly on the easier side if compared to cat.
हाँ.
And also the second important thing is you get 3 attempts. Even if you mess up in the first attempt, you have other 2 attempps. And you get a window of 1 week if I'm not wrong.
Yeah,
1 week,
अभी
10,
तो
10 days. Yes.
अभी
You have
7
that.
days
So
मिल रहा है।
you can improve any day. And even if you if you mess up your 2 attempts, again you have the third attempt. So I think that is one of the biggest advantage. And the second thing is you get multiple colleges. So even if you are targeting for XYZ, but you scored less, but again you have one option.
Perfect.
So I think that is the advantage.
Perfect. My next question to you. You're in placement committee, you're heading the placement committee by the way. So ये बच्चों के लिए है by the way. बहुत सारे बच्चे कंसर्न है ROI को लेके। तो सिम्बायोसिस कॉलेज के लिए ROI का बात होता है, बाकी प्राइवेट कंपनीज के लिए ROI का बात होता है, राइट? कॉलेजेस के लिए बाय द वे, हाउ डू यू लुक एट एज ROI? डू यू थिंक इट्स अ एक्सपेंस और खर्चा, और डू यू थिंक दैट इट्स एन इन्वेस्टमेंट? बिकॉज आई एम वेरी श्योर तुम्हारा ROI हो चुका है, तो तुमने ROI फाड़ दिया। सो व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन ROI?
So my take is that I was lucky enough to get a good organizations, but I also see student who went into mediocre organization. Even for alums, there were certain people who did not do good during placements, but now when you see them, they are at a very good position in a very good organization.
Nice.
So MBA is not just about one placement. MBA gives you that boost. Even if you start from a lower range, so for example, if a fresher comes in and they start from a 13-14 lakh package, people might think कि ये तो कम है, but you see from the perspective that you're starting your journey from 13-14, and after 2-3 years you'll be somewhere around 20-25 if you do well. So for me, MBA is definitely an investment, irrespective of the placements you achieve or whatever figures you get, because after 2 to 3 years this will pay. And second is your peer network or your alum network. So for example, if you don't get into a good organization, but again you have your peers, your alums who will back you up after 2 to 3 years, you'll get referrals. So for me, MBA is definitely an investment.
Okay, fantastic. Now let's talk about the loan का availability. मिल जाता है लोन? मैं SIDTM के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ। तो अगर किसी को SIDTM का एडमिशन मिलता है तो क्या लोन मिल जाता है? एंड वो कोलैटरल वगैरह रखना पड़ता है या फिर मिल जाता है पूरा विदाउट कोलैटरल?
You get it very easily for all the government, private, every bank. I am also on a loan, so I have also taken a loan.
Nice.
So you get it easily, but again there are certain amount till which you do not need collateral, but the process is very easy.
But they will not have a difficult time to get the loan.
People know SIDTM very honestly, so
हाँ देखो भाई,
people know SIDTM, they know you come from a Symbiosis brand, so
fantastic,
it is easy.
Fantastic. Last question for the day. By the way, I would also love to have another video after a couple of weeks, because you're a placement. I'm going to catch you again, by the way. Now, for the fact आज के लिए the last question would be, what sort of ज्ञान you want to give it to them? Because अभी तुमने फोड़ा है तो तुम eligible हो नहीं. The reason is अभी कैट है कुछ दिनों में, आई एम वेरी श्योर मॉक्स में स्कोर नहीं आ रहा है, एंग्जाइटी है, प्रेशर है, कैट होगा अच्छा होगा नहीं होगा, गॉड नोज, राइट? उसके बाद बाउंस बैक करना है लाइफ में, है ना, स्नैप वगैरह है. व्हाट सॉर्ट ऑफ एडवाइस यू वांट टू गिव इट टू देम?
So for personally what I believe in is that you get lucky one or the other day, but you should be prepared to make sure that you are prepared enough to convert that day. People
nice.
say that he was lucky, she was lucky, but that person was also prepared enough to make sure that he can prove himself when the luck is favoring them. So that is one thing that you should be prepared. And second thing is you will have your worst days. So I've also seen people who have, even after being so good academically, but they have not done well professionally, or they did not convert good organizations, but at the end of the day, because they were hardworking, they were working hard irrespective of the days that they had, they're doing good. So that is my second advice, that no matter, even if you mess up your CAT or you mess up your ZAT or SNAP, but again you should work hard and definitely you'll get what you achieve.
So whatever is the result, guys, don't worry. SNAP ho, CAT ho, ZAT ho, and MAT ho, CMAT ho, doesn't really matter. What matters is there are a lot of B schools like SIDTM who can give you an amazing platform, provided you should be ready to work really, really hard for that.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Thank you so very much, Muskan, for giving some time. It was pleasure talking to you. And guys, जितनी भी इन्फॉर्मेशन मुस्कान ने आज शेयर करी है, बहुत अच्छी इन्फॉर्मेशन दी. बाय द वे, I want you to hit like to this video and share this video with your friends. Thank you so very much, Muskan. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
Thanks a lot.